Well, it's never too late to say. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the annual function day of PBPC and Records. It's me, Anju Bandari from CTVT Lab second year to streamline the program ahead with notorious and seasoned hosting panel of Sushil and Mahesh.
Fine, Anju. By the way, you are looking quite gorgeous today.
Only today? I'm always Sushil. Thank you, Honorable Campus Chief Hari Khanal sir.
Once again, I would like to remember and thanks our Chief Guest, Medical Superintendent, Gandaki Hospital Pediatrician, Honorable Dr. Sri Krishna Shrestha, sir, and like to move on with the programs ahead. PBPC, Pokhara Vigyan Tatha Pravidi College and RCHST, Regional College of Health Science and Technology is a family where we share our bondness, where we share our griefness, but sometimes we lose a crucial member of our family. We become bereaved then. Last year, we lose our member, late Miss Kiran Bhurtel. In remembrance of her and her soul, we like all dignitaries and students to observe.
It was a painful time for all of us indeed. However, there is a saying that so must go on. So we are now going to officially start the program.
Yes, and to officially start the program by lighting the lamp, I would request our chief guest and all other dignitaries present on stage and on dais to do the honor. This year, we have one huge surprise for you. We are disclosing that surprise, and let me inform you that college administration and fraternity is extremely happy to announce that there will be a dissemination of newsletter today on this very stage, and that too right now. The newsletter is the end product of all the inputs that have happened in the college during the recent times. It showcases all the activities at college premises in and out. So, to publicly disseminate the newsletter, we request the chairperson, chief guest, campus chief, managing director, along with other dignitaries to be present on the stage. I would like to inform you that the editor-in-chief to this newsletter happens to be TU Program Director Honorable Krishna Gurung sir, who have been assisted by campus chief and managing director as well as others in various stages during newspaper editing and publishing.
म यस न्यूजलेटरको पहिलो अनुच्छेद पढेर सुनाउन गइरहेकी छु। सुन्दर नगरी पोखरामा अवस्थित यस पोखरा विज्ञान तथा प्राविधिक क्याम्पस र रिजनल कलेज अफ हेल्थ साइन्स एन्ड टेक्नोलोजी 2065 सालमा स्थापना भई स्वास्थ्य तथा खाद्य प्रविधि क्षेत्रमा उल्लेखनीय भूमिका निर्वाह गर्न सफल भएको छ। प्रमाणपत्र तहदेखि स्नातकोत्तर तहसम्म शिक्षा प्रदान गरेको यस संस्थाले सिटिबिटी र ट्युबाट सम्बन्ध प्राप्त गरेको छ। 2 वर्षे ल्याब टेक्नोलोजी, रेडियोग्राफी र 4 वर्षे बीएससी माइक्रोबायोलोजी, फूड टेक र 2 वर्षे स्नातकोत्तर तह माइक्रोबायोलोजी मेडिकल विषयमा अध्यापन गराइरहेको छ। स्वास्थ्य तथा खाद्य क्षेत्रमा शिक्षाको माध्यमबाट देशको आमूल परिवर्तनतर्फ लागेको यस संस्थाले भविष्यमा कृषि, वन, फार्मेसी जस्ता कार्यक्रम सञ्चालन गर्ने नीति लिएको छ। दक्ष तथा अनुभवी प्रशिक्षक, प्राध्यापक र अत्याधुनिक मेसिन तथा औजारको प्रयोगले शिक्षालाई प्रभावकारी बनाउँदै अगाडि बढेको कुरा सर्वसाधारण शिक्षा प्रेमी तथा शुभचिन्तकहरूलाई जानकारी गराउँछ। The college family promises to bring to edition of newsletter every year to more uniformly homogenize the record of students.
I, as a food technologist, upcoming food technologist, in these 3 years learned that milk is not just only a liquid. Food is not only a science, since it is engineering as well. We are not only technologists but also engineers. So I request with a round of applause Honorable Prakash Timal Sinha, Senior Technical Officer, Sujal Dairy and esteemed lecturer at Pokhara Vigyan Tatha Pravidhi College to grace the event as a guest. Thank you. You are humbly welcome to the program, sir.
All the respected guests, annual function day is such an occasion where we celebrate the culture at PPPC and RICAS, where we showcase and expose our talent. So the motto of this year is talent defies no boundaries. Talent defies
no boundaries, right. This year's motto is talent defies no boundaries. There is no limitation to talent because talent has unlimited scope. By the way, Arju, there are rumors that you are also dancing this year?
to see.
Okay, we all will be waiting for that. Moving on in the annual function, 6th annual function day, today we are going to welcome all the freshers and newcomers to this big family. So let's gear up for the welcoming them with renewed energy and bright future.
We'd like to request a student of BTech Food first year to be ready to be felicitated. Newcomers to join us on the stage. Pokhrel, Vikas Ranabhat, Gauki Kanchi. While we are on the welcoming of student freshers, we bid a farewell to all of you. However, Sushil will return shortly and I will be back with my dance. Till then, for welcoming of CTVT first year students, I request Ms. Zan to carry on the proceedings. Thank you.